Lovely updated 3-bedroom/2 full baths. Move-in ready. Located in a quiet, convenient neighborhood. Less than 10 minutes to downtown Powder Springs, Silver Comet Trail, Seven Springs Water Park, shopping and places of worship. Well cared for home on a double lot, over half an acre. You won't want to miss your chance to own this ranch-style home. Newer hardwood floors, cabinets, countertops, appliances, outlets, plumbing, hot water tank replaced in May 2017, roof approximately 9 years old. All on a mostly level lot. Enjoy the peace and quiet of this affordable home.